Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and normally I'm doing videos on how to do things. This particular video is on how not to do something. Uh, this is installing mulch around trees. I call this the volcano method of putting mulch down. What they've done is they have piled up a lot of mulch. You can see this is probably somewhere around 2 feet high up on the trunk. Um, that's exactly what you don't want to do. I see this all over town, and it's a bad idea. Uh, what happens when you pile this much, this either soil or mulch up on the trunk of the tree, is that eventually it starts rotting the bark off the tree. All the nutrients for this tree, are running up and down the bark, just underneath the bark in like a quarter-inch layer or so. So oxygen and nutrients are coursing up and down from the leaves down into the roots and back up again. And when you pile either dirt or you pile mulch up against the tree like this, you rot off the bark, and eventually it girdles the tree, or it kills it because it stops being able to transfer all those nutrients up and down. The better way of doing this, it's okay to add mulch around a tree, but you want to leave the root flare exposed, and that root flare is kind of like your neck as it flares down onto your shoulders. You want to see that going into the ground. And so what you do is you put mulch around the tree, and then you leave about a 2 or maybe 3 inch gap all the way around the tree, so that you've left that bark exposed. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please send them on to your friends and family, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.